Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to continue the development of a game. In the last video on game development, that's the video number 2 in the series of embedded systems video, we learned how to basically connect a joystick to the Arduino, and the Arduino, to write the code for the Arduino to be able to read the analog signals from the joystick and to convert these analog signals from the joystick to digital signal, because this microcontroller, this Arduino, has the analog to digital converter, so it has the capability of converting analog signals to digital signals. So yeah, we wrote a program. We still have the same program. This one, it's the program that reads data from the joystick and prints them on the serial, as you can see, at the baud rate of 9600. And yeah, we then write a Python program that reads from serial. We have updated this program to be able to detect an Arduino code, even when you don't know the port of the Arduino connected to your computer. You may be able to detect it automatically. So, and this code is upgraded to be able to display a kind of real world game, an interesting game of dodging the stones, or stone dodging game. It will be an interesting game. You will be playing it a little bit soon after these few explanations. Well, so the diagram is still simple as it was last time. We didn't make any change. We have the joystick connected to the microcontroller. In this case, it's this Arduino Uno. And then we have a computer. This computer on which a Python program is running. A computer is connected to a microcontroller using UART. Of course, it's a serial cable, a USB cable, but this one, but it's using the UART communication protocol. In the previous video, we discussed about communication protocols, and UART, that's universal synchronous receiver and transmitter, is not new to you if you watched the previous videos. Well, the diagram is still the same. Please go to the video number 2 in the series of embedded systems to see how you can connect. You can make this setup like wiring diagram, and you can make a good wiring, and it's simple. As you can see, we don't have a lot of wires here. I can even remind you what we did last time and what else do we still have. This will improve the visibility of the pin names. We have the switch, that's a push button, like when you're pressing. And we have VRY. We have VRX, we have 5V, and we have a ground. And we have these pins connected to the Arduino. We have ground connected to the ground. We have 5V connected to 5V. We have VRX connect to A0, and we have VRY connect to A1. We also have the push button, the green wire, connect to pin number 2. Okay, so we now understand the wiring. It's actually simple wiring. Now we have one joystick, and everything seems clear. So, and regarding the code, you don't need to worry, because I have this code here, and I made some changes that I need to push to the remote GitHub account and repository. I git everything and git commit and update. Okay. File. Git push. Okay, so if you go to the remote repository, you have this update uploaded. Okay, let's play that game. Okay, before we play a game, this is the code for playing game. I really won't explain the code line by line. These times with the AI, with ChatGPT, it's easy to copy the code. You don't need my explanations. It's easy to copy the code. You can simply copy the code, and I'm minimizing this window, try to repeat this so that you may see everything that I'm doing. Okay, so these days you need to understand the code. You can just copy and maybe right there. Yeah, ChatGPT, can you explain me the following code? if you want to understand as a layman, you can as a layman. So you paste the code, you hit enter. ChatGPT will explain what's happening with the code. Okay, so as you can see, ChatGPT can explain better. Okay, so it will tell you everything that you need to know about the code. So let me skip this step of explaining the code. Let's play the game. I'll just run. As you can see, the file we are going to run is called joystick _.jstons, and it's the same file that you will see here. Okay, you can see the update has been done 4 minutes ago. The other update we made. So yeah, here is the code, and the file is called joystick.stones. So let's run it. Python joystick Dodgestones. Joystick Dodgestones started. Let me try to dodge stones. I'm using the joystick to dodge stones. Yeah, I'm dodging the stones. Dodging stone. I'm using the yeah. So this is what I'm trying. Dodging the stones. Yeah. Oh, so I failed. I can press R to restart if I want. I press R to restart. Again, press R to restart. So as you can see, I have to dodge 50 stones. Yeah, 50 stones, and if a stone hits me, then I fail. I want to tell you my children love this game. They love this game. Dodge stones, and I still have for that 6 stones dodge. It's not any work. Yeah. Okay, so you can continue having fun dodging stones. Let's not dodge all these stones. You can develop this game and play it and have this fun of dodging stones. 25 stones to dodge. Okay, let me pause by pressing P. Okay, this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you can develop a stone dodging game like this. You understand everything. You understand the setup. It's just simple. You just have to connect your joystick, following the diagram. You can watch the video number 2 and connect it to the Arduino. You have the code for the Arduino. The code for the Arduino is here too. It's here too. Yeah, here's the wiring diagram. Yeah, here's the wiring diagram. Here is the code for Arduino. You have it. You have everything that you need. And if you have Python running on your computer, if you don't have, you can install it. Yeah, I didn't make a video about installing Python, but you can teach it yourself with these tools like ChatGPT. You can ask it to teach you about how to install Python, just in case you don't have it. And yeah, you kind of understand. The purpose of my video is to explain to you how things work, where you can find tools, what you can do with the tools, and just to be able to accept your comments, because when I put this video here, you can make comments, you can ask about anything that you don't understand. We have space in the comment section, so we interact until we make an interesting game. Yeah, you can share your game too. You can maybe tell us the story about developing a game in the comment. Yeah, so if you like the video, please push that like button. If you have comments, as I was saying, just write a comment. Let's make this channel interactive. If you feel like you will be coming here to learn new things, please subscribe so that you get notification whenever I drop a new video. And yeah, if you feel like this is helpful to someone, a friend, you can share it. Yes. Okay, so I hope it was enjoyable. Yeah. So let's meet in the other video. Bye.